This is Chrome NBL 17294. Let's do this thing. Ah, yeah, triple duties. Just duties this day and age, isn't it? No, Laker had to go and take the van back. So after a weekend of packs, I'm here early. Refractor, Mitch Creek. Gak, Chris Goulding. Mitchell, DJ Mitchell, I was to say. Jordan Caroline, still XRM. Like, wow, heavy pack, picked up two. Okay, Statman, Joe Cheat. Daniel Photo Refractor, Brady Manic. Hey, Ty. Qual Soto Quatnoi, numbered to 109. Antonio Hunter Wardenberg. A gold to 50, Justin Simon for the Sydney Kings. Let's get this focus a little fixed. I apologise for just how cooked I am. It has been a long weekend, like man. Ben Air. Mitch Creek. I think I'm going to, after this, go out for breakfast. Tashima Cole to 99. Green for the Kansas Taipans. Craig Randall. Photo United, Brad Newley. Tyler Harvey. Brown. Bales. Mitch Norton. Yeah, Ty. Big weekend of conventions. Ray John Tucker, Rashad Kelly, Barrett Brown Jr. To Sean Thomas. Weekend turned out really well. I'm just pretty cooked. But yeah, I think I'll take the morning off. Tyler Johnson after I get some breaks up. Tim Saws. Go get some food, eh? Dejan Vasiljevic. Pax has been good. Pax was great, actually. Madut. And auto, Trey Kell the third for the Southeast Melbourne Phoenix. Jersey auto. 47.99. Yeah, we just brought all the stuff home. Josh Maggette. The streams were cool. The streams are very cool. Antonius Cleveland. We got to hang out with a few cool people. Got to see Panda again, which is always great. Bales. Tyler Harvey Refractor. Aquera, Narlac. Matt Kenyon. Numbered to 109, Jalen Galloway. Of course, I told the story of where I was intimidated by Mel Racewell. Dang dang, because she's so cool. Gary Brown. Antonius Cleveland again. Darryl McDonald. Well, the lunch break, breakfast break is full, so we'll get into that straight after this. Tajima Cole, Carl Zunich. Black football is here, so it'll be involved in today's breaks. Junior Midut. Aquera, Malark, Phil Smith. Jalen Galloway. Looking for another hit on one of these packs. And there it is, Brady Manick, rookie L Auto Silver for the Perth Wildcats. Hiram Harris. Nathan Sobey, Jesse Wagstaff. Caroline, Latman. Chris Goulding, Craig Randall. Antonio Cody, Statman, Sam Wattenberg. Here you score one more numbered card or something to finish this off. Rayon Rupert, Sam Froling. This is my first convention without doing fizzy drink, Brady Manick. But you know, no Red Bulls or anything, so trying to stay alive. Nathan Sobey for the Brisbane Bullets and Carl Zunich, and that is Chrome 17294. Good break.